Query number 110 from Mangalore, Karnataka. Uncertainty over the money invested. Nothing seems reliable. Lack of respect for each other and dentists among fellow colleagues. Bullying by the seniors. As dentistry keeps evolving like any other field, lack of ethics in practice and or reliability in terms of the equipment purchased. Many times don't know whom to ask and when. Nobody discusses or tells all these things. Okay, before I go ahead, I'll answer these four. So the queries continued ahead. So uncertainty over the money invested, nothing seems reliable. I'm not sure what you asked in terms of finance or in terms of practice. So in terms of practice, if you're asking this thing, then you need to be sure that you have invested on the right gadgets, right equipment with the ROI potential in mind. Even if you don't have the ROI, you can say immediately coming in, you can make a plan for making your target audience aware about the services that you offer, and of course about the plan to how you plan to sell those services to your audience. So lack of respect for each other and dentists among fellow colleagues, that is, you can say, that is the point that baffles me as well. आई डोंट नो किस मिट्टी के बने हैं ये हम सब डेंटिस्ट. हम सब में मैं अपने आप को भी इंक्लूड करता हूँ. आई एम नॉट डूइंग और यू आर नॉट डूइंग, दैट इज अ सेपरेट क्वेश्चन. वी मे बी एक्सेप्शंस, बट लार्जली आई हैव सीन two subjects that have been not taught to us, but we are pros and PhDs in that. Subject B and subject BB and subject J. So jealousy and backbiting. We are, you can say, so fond of, you can say, Ekta Kapoor serials that we always like to gossip behind the back of each other. So when you are gossiping or backbiting for each other, you can say humiliating each other in front of the patients or in front of other colleagues, nobody can, you can say, get respect. Whosoever is listening to you will do the same for you at your back. So this is a, you can say, a chakra that comes back to you, you can say, in sooner or later, at whatever time. Bullying by the seniors, I'm not really sure in what context you are mentioning it. If the seniors are bullying, you can change your workspace, work culture. It is very commonly said, you are known by the 5 people you keep company with. So if you are keeping company with wrong people and they are bullying you, then it's better to change that workspace. That is the best option, and be your own boss. So dentistry may be evolving, but lack of ethics in reliability of equipment purchased or whatever. See, if you are a part of my WhatsApp community, I'm not sure whether you are or not. So we are running these communities almost now. In January, they'll complete 6 years. The communities are there to help you. But if you are a shy reader or a silent listener or a silent reader, then we can't help you. Because people, you will see in certain queries people have posted. They have posted their email like abc@gmail.com, tier 4 city. They are not even ready to divulge even their correct email address. They must have made this email address for their, you can say, for the purpose of posting the pain point only. So people are so shy. So if you want to ask someone, if you want an opinion, you have to ask for it. Nobody is giving free key advice. हम लोग दे रहे हैं free key advice. ये free key advice ही है आपके लिए in the morning. See how many people are ready to listen to free key advice. The problem is free things are not valued, you can say, in anywhere in, you can say, in our sphere. This is the biggest problem. 5 of you are here. So free की चीजें ऐसे ही होती हैं. Of course, some are there on Facebook group as well, but this is the way things work. Early morning, winters, nobody wants. कौन छोड़े रजाई, कौन छोड़े कंबल. So even though Mangalore, Karnataka, or many other places, they are not having that much cold as we are having in northern part of India. So we are discussing these things, but you need to be open for it. You need to ask for it. So that is the best thing. So the query continued. Humiliation is becoming a part of the profession, starting from dental college, wherein staff spend time gossiping, lack of respect amongst each other, fellow dentists and junior to seniors. Slowly, same kind of relationship develops with patients, receptionist, lab technician, other fellow practitioners from other medical field. We need to follow strict code of conduct in avoiding commenting on each other's work, treatment charges, personal life, and their investments. Many times not required from dental sources amongst ourselves and from people outside the profession. We already face a dearth wherein we don't have insurance scheme for dental treatment as widely available as in medical fields. Thereby, it limits our growth in providing complete care for our patients. Then why comment on other people's personal growth, investments, treatment charges. So my suggestion to you is, uh, stop being too unkind to yourself. People will keep on doing it. It is not that you can govern the same by a similar kind of a code. I really wish ethics was a uniform and everybody wore the same uniform. But unfortunately, even though we have the same code of conduct or same code of ethics to be followed by the Dental Council of India, 99% of us don't follow it. 99% of us don't follow it. So when you go on doing same things, it becomes habit. As I said about discipline, so when you go on doing same backbiting, jealousy, you can say dirty talk, you can say gossiping about each other, that becomes a habit, and that will of course trickle down to your work culture as well. ये तो हो नहीं सकता कि आप रियल लाइफ में कैसे हैं, क्लिनिकल लाइफ में कैसे हैं, आप क्लिनिकल लाइफ में भी वैसे ही बन जाओगे. So it is better that you talk less. Yes, if somebody deliberately hurts you, you're free to talk, at least to your known ones. किसी ने आपको जानबूझ के या किसी तरह का अपने आप को सुपीरियर दिखाने की कोशिश की है, just blurt it out to the person you trust, to the person you do it, and once done, forget it. I remember very very vividly, I learned something similar in my local IDA branch, and I was very furious. I kept on, you can say, keeping my cool for a while. But then one of my friends, who is the organizing team, one of my very good friends, he's in the organizing team. And it just happened in the mid of November, or maybe the last third week of November. And he called me up. And I was literally, and he's my, you can say, childhood friend. So I literally shouted and blurted out everything in the next 2 minutes, that you guys do this thing, you do, you say this thing, you say this thing, you say this thing. And I was totally furious. And then he was taken aback. What happened? Who did it? He was trying to ask me. I said, I'm not going to tell who did it, but I'm not very happy. And you guys do this thing you have been doing. And once I was done, I had spoken that thing, I was normal. And then he kept on being, you can say, नहीं यार तूने मुझे इतना सुनाया, कुछ तो बात होगी, कुछ तो बात होगी, there must be something that you don't want to tell. And trust me, we had a Punjab State Conference where he's, as I said, he's one of the chief office bearers. We had that on the 16th and 17th of the December. 15th night, he was sitting at my place. We were taking out the final list for a printout. I was helping him out with the registration part, and he was again very, very thankful. He said, I still remember what you did a month back. I said, what I did? So he said, normally, तेरे को नहीं याद, तेरी तो इतनी अच्छी मेमोरी है. Yeah, I remember the most of the things, but I don't remember, you can say, stupid things. He said, कैसे तूने मुझे सुनाया था? अच्छा, yeah. Okay. Now that the agenda is over, I'll tell you who did that. And when I told him who did the gossip and who did that talk, he said, ये तो है, but you spoke it out and you forgot it. He said, that is the way. जिस पे ट्रस्ट करते हो, अगर किसी ने बुरा किया, एक बार ही बोलो, खत्म, बात खत्म. डोंट कीप ऑन कैरिंग ऑन, डोंट कीप ऑन लिंगरिंग इट ऑन. एंड दैट इज व्हाट you can say I want you to tell, because if you keep on doing this thing, keep on lingering on with this talk, this will become your nature, your habit. Bolo, khatam karo baat, and you can say don't carry forward. But yes, remember the lessons learned, and don't forget the lesson, but forget the talk. So if you keep on doing that thing, you will develop a bitter relationship with everyone around you, and this thing will trickle down into your family life as well. You'll have a very unkind relationship with your spouse also. You'll have that, you can say, very, you can say, non-trusting relationship with your kids also, with your parents also. So don't do that. And regarding your last point, even if we don't have insurance schemes, we don't have dearth of patients. It is the dearth of good dentists, good doctors, that is troubling, the population. We are not having C or D patients, but the A and B are not finding good doctors, and good doctors are hardly visible also. So that is why I always encourage, kindly indulge in active marketing, so that you can know where you can say, so that your prospective patients can know where my doctor is. That is the reason I tell you to do marketing. More than the doctor needing the patient, it is the patient who needs a good doctor. जिस दिन ये बात समझ आ गई ना हम लोगों को, ये सब जो होता है ना, लैक ऑफ पेशेंट्स, लैक ऑफ फुटफॉल, ये सब खत्म हो जाएगा. अदरवाइज, if people don't take action, if you don't believe me, if they keep on doing same things, It'll become their nature, it'll become their habit, and it'll become their destiny. That is the only thing I can say. So I hope I have answered your query. So don't develop this bitterness towards mankind. People, all kinds of people are there. Just if someone does deliberately anything bad to you, speak, blurt out, shout out, vomit out, whatever way, and forget it. And forget it. That is the best way. I have done that recently. Somebody can say humiliated me in a way which I felt humiliated. Maybe he didn't do it. Did something. I felt something just about a week back. I blurted it out to one of my colleague, one of my friend whom I trust, and I was normal the other day. That's part of life. But don't develop this constant bitterness that everyone should wear the same uniform, everyone should do the same code of ethics. We are bound to do it, but people don't do it. So you do your best and forget the rest. So I hope I have answered your query.